Hello there, I'm Angela from artery.com. I was having a bit of a declutter earlier and I came across these glitter pastes which I'd actually forgotten I had, the Nouveau glitter pastes, and they go on really nicely. But I've often wondered, can you blend glitter paste together like you can inks? I had a bit of a go just trying them on a piece of white card first. That didn't go too well. Then I tried it through a stencil, a hard stencil. It looks okay. I mean, it's not awful, but still not what I was looking for. Then I tried actual glitter on top of dimensional paste, sort of sprinkling glitter on. That didn't go great either. This looked a little bit better. This is just through the same stencil and just practicing a little bit more. This one I tried mixing all of the colours together on my glass mat. It looks okay, but it's still not quite the effect that I was looking for. This next attempt went a little bit better. I quite like that. I just got one of each colour and just dragged the colour down using my palette knife, and I think that looks quite nice. I was quite pleased with that. It could probably be used on a card. However, this is the one where I feel as though I hit the jackpot, as it were. I used dark card through a stencil, like quite an intricate stencil, just using different colours on different parts of the stencil, and I think it looks really nice. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to show you how I did it. And I'm going to show you that although technically you can't really blend the colours together, you can mix them up so that they do look really nice together. I do suggest that if you're going to use a dark colour, use all dark colours, use colours that are going to go together, because on that last one the pink didn't really sit right with me, but I found a purple that hadn't even been opened, so I used the purple, the blue and the green, and it turns out quite nice. I'm quite pleased with the effect of this. So all I did was put different pastes on, different colour pastes on different parts of the stencil, and they ended up looking really nice. I wish I'd put a bit more purple in the centre, but all in all it does look really nice. I just wish the purple had been perhaps a little bit darker, but it's just a really lovely effect. This is actually my new favourite stencil at the moment. I've used it on a recent video. I came across it in my stash and I'm absolutely loving it. If you do try this, don't forget to clean off whichever tool that you're using to add the paste in between each colour, because you don't want to mix them up. You don't want to contaminate one colour with another colour. And I just love this effect. I think it really has the wow factor, and it can be used on all kinds of different projects. But I do make a card out of this, which I will show at the end, so do stick around for that. But isn't that just absolutely beautiful? So the answer to whether or not you can blend glitter pastes together, it depends, yes and no. I mean, you can put them on next to different colours and they do look really nice, but they don't blend in the same way as inks blend. I think if the purple had actually been a bit lighter, to be honest, instead of darker, it might have blended with the blue and green, or perhaps I could have just used the blue and green, but altogether I think this is absolutely stunning. As you can see, I didn't waste those earlier efforts. I used them to die cut out a few butterflies. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this was helpful. I would love to read your comments on this or any other ideas you may have. Thank you again and have an amazing day. Bye bye now.